Alright, YouTube. What I have here is an iRobot Roomba model 675.
Open Roomba's brush cage and clean brushes.
I'll go ahead and shut that off. What it was doing, the brushes were not getting up to full speed, and it wasn't kicking any of the dirt into the dustbin. So naturally I watched YouTube, saw a few other examples, other problems, called the company, and they determined it was the brushes itself became weak. So they sent me a brand new assembly. There you go. And it's pretty simple and sweet. Take out the 4 bolts up here. Remove 4 bolts that hold, or 4 screws, sorry, that hold the brush assembly in. And it just plugs right in and should be good to go. We'll find out if it does the trick or not. The Roomba customer service had me throw some stuff on the ground upstairs and prove that it was not picking up as it was designed to. And on Thursday, today's Tuesday, they had a new one sent to us. It was covered under the warranty. We bought this in September 2020, and I was surprised that it died as quick as it did, but old one out, new one in. Really pretty simple. Thank God. And I'm glad it was covered under the warranty, because this brush assembly on Amazon was $45, I believe. Really simple. Get the hair off of this bad boy. Put that back on. Turn it over. Put the dustbin back. Should be good to go. Thanks for watching.